Hey my loves, my name is Mosumala. If you just stumbled on this channel, you are most welcome. And if you're a returning subby, give me 5. Ta. Thank you so much for coming back. So today I thought of showing you how I achieved this bond. Like, this bond has been raving on my IG. If you're not following me on my IG, I'm going to link it right here. So I thought my YouTube family, like, you people are special guests. So I thought I should just show you how I do this. It's very easy. This is like a Monday morning kind of vibe. If you're a working class and this is just a Monday morning. If you're a businesswoman, this is a Monday morning. If you are the corporate guru, even if you're a market woman, this is my I'm broke, my classy, my go-to kind of hair. This kind of hair is the kind of hair that you don't even need a lot of money. You probably have all the things that you need to use at home. You just have hair on your head. If you don't have, you probably will not be able to achieve this. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will not miss any updates from me. So if you want to see how we achieve this, let's go. So I'm gonna start off with using my mousse. That is a cream of nature mousse. I can't remember the name right now. I'm going to start off with that and apply that all over my hair. Then again, I just go in with my gel. I like to use the Eco Styling gel because for that sleek look, you need to gel it up. And then I'm just going to put that heavily on my hair and comb it. Oh my god. And after that, I'm just going to add my edge control. Just need the front to be well lit. Has to be light. And I can't remember the name of the edge control, but I'll just link everything down below. Then of course I'm going to be using my attachment. I have used this attachment before, so hence that is why it's like that. It's probably cost me like $1 or something, and $1 at the beauty supply. So that is like half of the attachment. I just divided into two, and I'm using the first part. If you notice, I use the rubber band just in between just in the middle of the attachment, and I put the rubber band on my head and I just rolled it pretty much. And this is the second one. The second one is to give that closed effect at the middle of the hair, between your hair and the attachment, like just as I am rolling it. Be mindful of how I'm rolling it, and that is just it. Like, this hair will not even take you 5 minutes, trust me. And I just pin it up, just for extra hold, because of all the witches and the wizards that can be trying to push me, pull me, and all of that. So that's pretty much it for the hair, and just enjoy the makeup. And I decided to just add the makeup part as well, so just enjoy the makeup. Okay, I love you. Yes, so welcome to the makeup part. And for the makeup part, I'm starting off with my Embryolisse moisturizer. You always want to moisturize because it just helps. And of course, my favorite pore mattifying primer, which is the Becca, and then onto my foundation, which is the Kat Von D. Like, the love I have for this Kat Von D. I don't understand. Because I think it covers very well, and like, the coverage is just really, really nice. That's why I like it. And I'm just coloring my face with it. And yeah, we are gonna be using the Juvia's Face Warrior 2 palette. I went in with the Purely primer, and of course I'm starting with that shade just for my transition color. I like that shade so much as a transition color. It's so gorgeous. This is going to be a very simple eye look. I don't want anything. I just want to look classy. Oh my god, and I'm going in with that brown shade, just to deepen my crease, and of course with that gray color. I love that color. Jeez, I can't wait to do a proper smoky look with that color. I love it so much. Just putting that at the outer view and using that, it's like white. It's not white, it's like off-white. Just like I said, I want a very simple eye look. I'm just trying to get it together. Of course, it's not complete without the wing. And I'm using the blood gel 77 to sweet girl. And of course, I'm using my mink lash. I don't know where I got that. No idea express either way. And of course, I'm using the Colourpop filter concealer. I love this concealer so much. This concealer is the truth. Like the coverage, it gives you time to play. It doesn't dry very fast. I love it so much. Because my overall powder, I've been using this technique lately and it's really been working for me. Immediately after my concealer, I just go in with my actual powder to set my face before I bake. And you guys, you just need to try that technique. It's bomba. Trust me. I was baking obviously with the Laura Mercier, and I went into my waterline with the Inlet Steel, and I'm bronzing, and I'm using my Zara face powder or something like that. Face powder. I'm using the contour parts, and I'm blushing with my Anastasia Beverly Hills blush palette, and my favorite setting spray of all time is the Morphe setting spray. I'm just loving that right now. Onto the lips, I'm using the Ellery lip pencil. That's the Colourpop Ellery lip pencil, and this is a perfect dupe for MAC Night Month. And I'm using blot and Anastasia in the middle of the lips. The blot is the brown one, and the Anastasia is the lighter one. Just contour the lips. Okay. It's pretty. Oh my god. Just look at that lips. Damn. Of course, my favorite highlighter of my cosmetics is highlighter. It's the best thing that I was last year. Just pretty much, and that's the end of this video, guys. Can you see how easy this hair is? Like very easy. I hope you try it. Please tag me when you do so, and I hope you like my beads. Like this beads, I love it. I love everything about this whole look. So I like black. Black is my best color anyways. This is a vibe. Okay. So until next time, I'm gonna see you. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Please don't be tired of me saying that. And don't forget to stay beautiful. I love you. Bye.